Okay, as you can see, we've gone through a fair amount of info, mostly reading, a little bit of video. As you get your way onto the course, it's going to get a little bit more video focused. I'm a video learner. Yeah, I like to read, but I would rather watch a video, look at stuff. That's kind of how I learn. So if you needed more video on some of those posts, sorry, we'll get into more details as this progresses. But I did want to just quickly talk about this section here, classroom and resources. And when I hit this right now, you're seeing this recorded the first or second week of January 2023. This is going to radically change. Why? Well, because I have other partners, other associates, other vendors that we work with at the Artificial Grass Marketing Agency. For example, we work with an incredible pay-per-click traffic provider. They manage Google AdWords, Bing Ads, YouTube videos. They're awesome. They do our marketing here at Heavenly Greens. They manage Heavenly Greens AdWords, and when I say PPC, I'm talking about AdWords, Bing, YouTube, etc. So they manage Heavenly Greens. They manage Artificial Turf Express. We have 8 different satellite websites around our geo market, which is fancy talk for just getting all of the regions around Heavenly Greens, so that we can actually get more leads outside of the Bay Area. And they manage pay-per-click for those folks as well. They also manage pay-per-click for our clients within the network. So a lot more coming to this section, but I wanted to give you the overview of what this classroom is. I'm hoping to see, actually I'm already in talks with a few folks to start shooting videos on installations, videos on how to handle unique installs, just different things like that that are different than the marketing side, because the marketing side is one thing, but we want to create this community into bigger and better problem solving so that folks can jump in and ask a question, and hopefully the community or someone who knows about it jumps in and answers a question for that individual. That's what we're trying to build here. Thanks for watching.